We are solving activity 8.2, case 2. Now we have the information about swimmers, and the first question is how many swimmers are 17 years old? Our criteria is 17 years old. So we start typing equals count if, open parenthesis, and my criteria is equals to 17 years old. That's the only ones I want, and the information is provided on column H or column F. So Excel is going to look only for my criteria 17 here on all the information about the years, and the answer is 3. There you have. How many swimmers are men? My criteria now is men. So here it's male, then equals, again, count if, open parenthesis, and I only want the ones equals to male. And the cells containing that information are in the category column. Here is where Excel is going to look for, and they are 8. How many swimmers are there total points penalized? Then we only want the ones that are penalized. So equals to count if, open parenthesis, and then here it's equals to penalized. And the cells containing the whole information are column total points or column J. And the answer is going to be 4. How many swimmers do have their total points accumulated? So we check at the total points, and that means they should have more than 0. So equals to count if, open parenthesis, and then my criteria is greater than 0, and the cells to look for are in column J. Okay. The answer is 13. What is the average age for male swimmers? So we want only the average for only males. So my criteria will be equals to male. The cells containing the information are in the category, and we want the average age in column F. There. The answer is 17. Calculate the average age of the swimmers that competed in Copa Fina. I'm going to copy paste the exact words. Then it's equals to average if, and then open parenthesis. So the criteria is equals to Copa Fina. The cells containing the information are on column event, and we need to calculate the average for their age of the swimmers. The answer is 16.5. Calculate the total time that female swimmers obtaining their heats records. So we only want the females, equals to sum if my criteria is equals to female. That information is located in the category column, and they want us to get the total time on column B. The answer is 16.74. How many swimmers obtain a time of 2 or more? Then I need to count, and the criteria is the time. 2 or more is greater than or equal to 2 because 2 is also included, and the time information is on column B. The answer is 9. How many swimmers belong to the DF state? Then count if, and now my condition is equals to DF, and the location is on column G. It's on the state on column E, and we're having only two swimmers from this location. Calculate the average age of the swimmers that belong to San Luis Potosí state. Then it's average if my condition is location equal to San Luis Potosí. The information of location is on column G, and they want us to get the average age on column F. And the answer is going to be it's the average age on column F, and the range for San Luis Potosí is E. So column E. Then the answer is 17.6. Calculate the total time of the swimmers who are 17 years or older. So equals to average if, open parenthesis, and then my criteria is only the ones who are 17 years old or older, so it should be greater than or equal to 17. Age is located on column F, and they want us to get the total time of the swimmers on column B. And the answer is going to be 1.795. Calculate the average of hits records of swimmers that did not participate in the event Campeonato Nacional CC. I'm copy pasting the exact word, and they want us to get the average only for the ones who did not participate, so different from this championship. The information is on the column event, and we should get the average of the hits records. The answer will be 3.25. Calculate the total of hits records of swimmers that had a time of 2 or less. So my condition is the time equals to the sum of 2 or less is going to be equals to sum if, open parenthesis, and then criteria is less than or equal to 2 because 2 is included. The time is provided in column B. Here we have them, and we should add the hits records. This is the answer. How many events were held in Ciudad Obregón, Sonora? I'm gonna copy paste the text because we have accents here, I might have a mistake while typing, so equals to count if, and my criteria is equals to Ciudad Obregón, and the location is column G. So the answer is 6. Calculate the average age of swimmers that belong to the trainer Jack Roach. So I only need the ones whose trainer is Jack Roach. So equals average if my criteria is trainer Jack Roach. The information of the trainer, it's on column I, and they want us to get the average of the age on column F.